If you want to create your own focus mode on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is we need to go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the focus option. We should be able to go over here. Then we can press this plus button that we have in the upper right corner. And then you can choose what you want to focus on. So you can create a completely custom focus mode. You can choose one of these presets. In my case, I'm gonna go for a custom. You can set up the name for the focus mode. We can change the color and the icon as well. And then we can go next. Here we have the information about the focus mode itself. And we can proceed to customize focus. We can toggle intelligent breakthrough and silencing. Here we can read the description of this feature if you need to know how it looks like, how it works. You can silence people and silence apps, so you won't be interrupted by these things, by those people and those apps. You can customize this screen as well. You can create a schedule, so you can make this your custom focus mode to be automatically activated at a given time based on something. So this can be a time, location, or app when you open a specific app, for example. And you can also add focus filters in here. Now you can easily access this focus by going to the control center, and if you go to this focus button, you should be able to find your custom mode in here. You can tap on it in order to turn it on or turn it off. Also, if the focus button has your custom focus icon that we have over here, then you can tap on it in order to activate that custom focus mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.